everyone, and this is episode number 1 in my new tutorial called iOS Unleashed, where we will be creating an iOS app. So first you need to go to the App Store, the Mac App Store, and you will have to download Xcode, which is absolutely free. And once it's completed download, start it up. And I actually have it pinned. Now there just happens to be another file open, so I'm just gonna close it out, and I'm gonna quit Xcode, and I'm just gonna restart Xcode now. I don't want Chrome, and as Xcode is opening up, in our first video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple app that's just Hello World, basically. So basically what I'm going to say is create a new Xcode project, and we're going to be iOS application, single view application, hit next. We're going to call it E1-Hello World, just for whatever, and it's for the iPhone. We don't want it for the iPad currently. That would probably be another tutorial. And organization name and all that stuff you don't need to really worry about. I'm just putting Linux software because that is what we are working under. So hit next. And I created my own folder called Xcode projects under my home directory, and basically I'm just going to create it there, and I don't need a local Git repository. I'm not doing anything like that. And wait for this to finish loading, as this may take some time. Okay, so supported interfaces, we can choose all of them if you want. That does not really matter. Go to storyboard. Now this uses storyboard in the new Xcode and with the iOS 6.1 simulator. And basically what you want to do is in your object window, you can increase it. You're going to scroll down and find the label. Just drag and drop it, and you can go to the middle and double click and say my first iPhone app, and it's centered, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to run it with the iOS simulator, hit run. It's going to build, and our iOS simulator is loading up. And do note this is trying to simulate the iPhone 5 with iOS 6.1. Pretty sure. Okay. As it does take some time. Okay. So as you saw, it loaded like that because it's just large. And there you go. It says my first iPhone app. And that's pretty much it, and you can hit stop, and then that will bring it back to the home page. Now you'll see that I have a lot of apps here, and we will see what each does. But this is our iPhone app, and if you want to go home, you can just click that, and then we're home. And then we'll talk about these other apps that I made, like iMeasure, Login app, Debug Fusion, blah blah. But that's pretty much it. So that's how you make a simple iPhone app in a couple minutes. Okay, bye, and stay tuned for the next episode on buttons and user control. Stay tuned.